Looking back at the last 4 years, I can't help but smile. We have made some crazy, fun, and special moments together. Beginning with a Jeep ride, it all seemed so wild, but here we are, still loving every minute.
These are the hands, young and strong and vibrant with love, that are holding yours on your wedding day. These are the hands that will passionately love you and cherish you through the years for a lifetime of happiness. These are the hands that will countless times wipe the tears from your eyes, tears of sorrow and tears of joy.
Today will be the day that we will both remember for the rest of our lives. You make me a better father and man every day. I can't say that I didn't see this coming 4 years ago, because I did. From the moment I met you, I knew you were perfect for me. I couldn't be happier to spend the rest of my life loving you. I would say I do over and over again to you.
I can't lie, it was definitely hard watching my big sister, who I lived with forever, move out of our childhood home, but it made it a lot easier knowing that she was going with someone that she loves so much and that someone loves her so much.
I'm so grateful to have you as a best friend and a husband. I'm also grateful for Hunter and Colton and you allowing me to love them with my whole heart.
I just wanted to write you a letter to say how excited I am to have you all as a son. I'm excited to hear your jokes tonight. I love you more than understand. Love, your bonus mom.
I just want to thank Matt for asking me to be a part of his big day. It means a lot. We've been friends since high school. We've had a lot of good times together. He's truly a brother.
You are my world, and I cannot wait to look into your eyes for the rest of my life. You're truly beautiful inside and out.
I love you more than you'll ever know. I'm so happy to be marrying you, my favorite. I can't wait to see your handsome self today. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you and our family.
Wow. That's beautiful.
Oh, thanks.
Love you. Love you too.
It is here today that we are gathered together to sense the wonderful mystery of love, by which God makes the world sing and dance. Kelly and Matthew come to give themselves to one another in this holy covenant of marriage.
Oh God, okay. I love the past 4 years with you and my boys. The memories we have made as a couple and as a family will forever be in my heart. We've been there for each other through the great and the hard times, and I'm lucky to have such a wonderful man in my life. I love watching the father you are, and I love seeing you with my family. I want to thank you for letting me love your boys like they're my own. Hunter and Colton, you have made my life so much bigger and better, and I love you both more than you'll ever understand. I'm excited to officially be your bonus mom forever.
Dad, I'll never forget the day you proposed to Kelly. You hid the ring in the tackle box and you made her go fishing with us. Kelly fell asleep in the boat, then Dad got on one knee, then the boat started to sink. Before she woke up, Dad had me hand him the ring. Then he asked Kelly, will you marry me? And Kelly said yes. Me and Colin were so excited. It was the best day ever.
Kelly, I love you so much. You've been an inspiration in my life since the day we met. From this day forward, I get to wake up next to my best friend. I want you to know how truly blessed I am to have you as my wife. I promise to always be there for you through whatever life brings. I promise to wake up each day and choose you.
I promise to be your biggest fan. I promise to work at our friendship and our marriage always.
Know that when you're happy, I'll be happy. And know that when you're sad, I'll try to make you laugh. I promise to always laugh at your jokes and try to help as much laundry as I can. I can't see what life would be like without you in it. I want you to know I can't wait for you to be my wife.
I promise we will have an amazing and crazy life together. I love you to the moon and back.
Thank you for making my sister the happiest I've ever seen her. You guys complement each other so well, and it's been really great to see how happily in love you guys are.
From day one, she's accepted these boys as her own. She's the most kind person I've ever met, and I truly believe she completes Matt.
I want you to know that you're the best dad ever. We always have so much fun together, like when we were camping and we mow the lawn together. Kelly, you are so funny and you make me laugh every day. You always take such good care of us, of Colin and I. If somebody says you're not our mom, it doesn't matter because you love us and you are our bonus mom. Thank you so much for being the best parents we could have.
And ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce to you for the first time in public, Mr. and Mrs. Matthew Gilroy.
It's been such an emotional day, even the cakes and tears.